Hey guys, figured I'd do a quick little update video here. Did a little bit of work on this. Well, not really work, but just swapped tires around. Took tires off. Found that one there. Tires I was going to trade Brian and put them on here. I was thinking about putting a little 612 eggs on it, but I gotta get a head gasket and whatnot. I don't want to run it any more than I have to. So if I get it fixed and whatnot, I'll put the eggs on it. It'll work. We'll work on this. Took the starter generator off, cleaned the inside of it and everything, cleaned the contacts up, and she works better. But key switch is screwed. This post right there, if it'll focus. I don't know if you can see there or not, but it's spinning the whole post. So it's pretty well screwed, and the only way I can get it to where the starter generator will turn over, had the booster pack hooked up to this, and then jump it from here to this wire, and these 2 points here with either screwdriver or a wrench, going like this. So I'm pretty upset about that. I got my carb kits on the way. I'm waiting for a little extra money to get the head gaskets. But as long as I can get the carbs fixed, and that'd be half the battle there. So the head gaskets won't take that long and won't be that bad to change out. But anyways, that's the original starter generator, and I cleaned all up on it. This is the one that Brian brung. It just wasn't any better than that one there, so maybe it needs some cleaning. I don't know, but I'm not gonna fool it. So this here, I'm really pissed off. I mean, the whole point of the spare motor was for that coil, and it's the wrong coil. So, and this coil won't work because I gotta have that flywheel right there to go touch here and around every time it spins. I can't bulk it up because the back flywheel is not hollowed out like the original one, so it grinds up on these and it gets hung up. So yeah, I'm not happy because, you know, I thought I had the correct coil for it. That's the whole reason I got rid of the snowblower. But I got rid of the snowblower. $150 towards the new coil. So I'm kind of screwed on that now. So I know Rooney probably ain't gonna like this, but I'm half tempted to take everything off, motor wise, off that one and put it on that body, and then take everything off that one and just use this tractor as a parts tractor. But I really don't want that because I know I can have 3 of them, 2 Super 12s running. But I don't know. I'm just pretty pissed off. I know Brian said that he's willing to bring down another starter generator, but it's not gonna fix my coil problem. I know I can take the coil off this one, put it on a 12, but it'd be defeating the purpose of getting this tractor. So which I'm not really too happy about this tractor either, so, but I don't know, but I guess.